How to add audio spectrum in CapCut. It's very simple. Go ahead and select a video, and once you have imported your video successfully, go ahead and tap on this text option. Then go ahead and select stickers. Here, if you go ahead and tap on this bell icon, you will see there is an audio spectrum, but however it is intact. If you want it as a movable audio spectrum, again tap on stickers, and now from this option, scroll until you see the option of music and tap on it. Here at the front you will see there is the audio spectrum. Tap on it. Now you will be able to resize it and arrange the place of it. You can also rotate or copy it very easily, just like this. And what next you can do is you can just go ahead and adjust the time frame of it in your timeline. Isn't it simple? So make sure to give it a try, and thank you so much for watching.